Do you know the reality of cost of hair transplant in India? The hair transplant in India costs you somewhere starting from 30,000 up to 3 to 4 lakhs. So why there is so much of the cost, the difference in hair transplant in India? Basically, the cost depends on three major factors: the person who is doing it and its qualification, the doctor qualification of the doctor. The second is the equipment and the machinery that are being used in the particular case, and third thing, the experience of the doctors. So these three things are very important. Because you are undergoing a knife, the procedure is done for 5 to 6 hours. The certified doctors do the procedure are plastic surgeon and dermatologist, cosmetology, trichology. These are all Ponzi degrees. So do choose your doctor properly for your own safety and health benefits. And the thing is that you should do it once and you should do it properly rather than doing the same procedure repeatedly. So the crux of the hair transplant is do it once, do it properly.